The success and sustained excellence of the All India Institutes of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, are deeply rooted in its distinct governance and administrative framework. Unlike conventional government medical colleges that function under rigid state control, AIIMS institutions were deliberately designed with a high degree of autonomy. This governance model allows AIIMS to balance public accountability with academic freedom, ensuring efficiency, innovation, and long-term institutional stability. Understanding the governance structure of AIIMS is essential to appreciating how these institutions maintain uniform excellence while operating across diverse regions of the country. Statutory foundation and legal framework. AIIMS institutions are established under the AIIMS Act, passed by the Parliament of India. This statutory foundation grants AIIMS the status of institutes of national importance, placing them in a unique category, distinct from universities, governed by state laws or general regulatory bodies. The Act defines the objectives, powers, and responsibilities of AIIMS, ensuring clarity in mission and authority. This legal framework enables AIIMS to design its own academic programs, recruit faculty independently, manage finances, and set research priorities, all while remaining aligned with national healthcare objectives. The statutory status protects AIIMS from excessive bureaucratic interference and provides continuity in leadership and vision. Autonomy as a pillar of excellence. Autonomy is a defining feature of AIIMS governance. Academic autonomy allows AIIMS institutions to continuously update curricula, introduce new specialties, and adopt modern teaching methodologies without prolonged administrative delays. This flexibility is crucial in a field like medicine, where scientific knowledge and technologies evolve rapidly. Administrative autonomy empowers AIIMS to manage hospital operations, procurement, staffing, and infrastructure development efficiently. Financial autonomy enables better resource allocation, research funding management, and long-term planning. Together, these forms of autonomy create an environment where excellence is not constrained by rigid procedural barriers. Central oversight and the role of the government. While AIIMS institutions enjoy significant autonomy, they also function under central oversight to ensure accountability and alignment with national priorities. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, plays a supervisory role, particularly in policy guidance, funding support, and strategic expansion. This balance between autonomy and oversight ensures that AIIMS institutions remain responsive to national healthcare needs while retaining the flexibility required for innovation and academic leadership. It also reinforces AIIMS' role as a national asset rather than a region-specific institution. Governing bodies and decision-making structure. Each AIIMS institution is guided by a structured system of governing bodies. At the top is the governing body or institute body, responsible for overall policy direction, financial decisions, and institutional strategy. This body includes senior administrators, medical experts, and government representatives. The director of each AIIMS serves as the chief executive and academic head, providing leadership across education, research, and patient care. Supporting the director are deans, medical superintendents, and heads of departments, who oversee academic affairs, hospital services, and research activities. This layered leadership structure ensures informed decision-making and effective execution of policies. Academic councils and research committees. Academic governance at AIIMS is managed through academic councils, faculty boards, and research committees. These bodies are responsible for curriculum development, examination systems, academic standards, and research governance. Faculty participation in these councils ensures that academic decisions are grounded in practical experience and scientific expertise. Research committees oversee ethical approval, funding allocation, and compliance with national and international research standards. This structured academic governance promotes transparency, quality assurance, and ethical integrity across all AIIMS institutions. Hospital administration and clinical governance. The administrative framework of AIIMS hospitals is complex due to the scale and diversity of services provided. Hospital governance focuses on patient safety, quality assurance, clinical protocols, and operational efficiency. Medical superintendents and clinical administrators coordinate with department heads to ensure smooth functioning of outpatient services, inpatient care, emergency units, and operation theaters. Clinical governance at AIIMS emphasizes evidence-based practice, standard treatment guidelines, and continuous quality improvement. This structured approach ensures that patient care remains safe, ethical, and consistent across departments. Human resource management and faculty governance. Faculty recruitment and human resource management at AIIMS follow rigorous standards to ensure academic and clinical excellence. Recruitment is merit-based, transparent, and nationally competitive. Once appointed, faculty members are evaluated on teaching quality, research output, clinical performance, and service contributions. This performance-oriented governance model encourages professional growth, accountability, and academic productivity. It also helps AIIMS attract and retain top talent in medicine, research, and healthcare administration. Coordination across the AIIMS network. As AIIMS expanded into a national network, governance evolved to include coordination mechanisms across institutions. Common policies, academic standards, and examination systems help maintain uniformity. At the same time, individual AIIMS institutions retain flexibility to address regional healthcare needs. This coordinated autonomy allows AIIMS to function as a cohesive national system rather than isolated campuses, strengthening its collective impact on healthcare and education. Challenges in governance and administration. Managing large, complex institutions like AIIMS presents governance challenges. These include balancing autonomy with accountability, ensuring transparency in decision-making, managing rapid expansion, and addressing workforce shortages. Additionally, aligning administrative efficiency with public sector regulations requires continuous adaptation. Despite these challenges, AIIMS governance framework has proven resilient, evolving through reforms, policy updates, and institutional learning. Future directions in AIIMS governance. Looking ahead, governance at AIIMS is expected to become more data-driven, transparent, and technology-enabled. Digital governance systems, performance analytics, and integrated hospital information systems are likely to strengthen administrative efficiency. Greater emphasis on interdisciplinary leadership and stakeholder participation will further enhance institutional responsiveness. In conclusion, the governance, autonomy, and administrative framework of AIIMS form the institutional backbone that sustains its excellence. By combining statutory authority, academic freedom, accountable leadership, and structured administration, AIIMS has built a governance model that supports innovation, integrity, and national service. This framework not only ensures efficient functioning today, but also positions AIIMS to meet the evolving healthcare challenges of the future with confidence and credibility.